everybody, this is John here, and today we are gonna be folding another origami paper. And today we are gonna be folding a boat. Great thing, right? This is the most simple, maybe the earth's most simple, but I'll indeed do this for the kids. And also, least of the people know this, that it can stand by its own and can float to water. But you need a Oslo paper so it can float to water. But it's a bond paper, then it's not gonna be really good at floating. So anyways, let's do this. So you're gonna need a bond paper, a long bond paper. Oops, the camera, oh my God. And then you wanna fold it this way, just like what I'm doing in the last video. Okay, so we've done that. The previous video will be in the description down below, or it's gonna be at the end of the video. And then you wanna do is the camera again. Okay, there you go. Now you wanna fold it this way. There we go. And there you go. You need to be really good at folding paper. Needs to be straight up. Come on. There we go. Okay. It's a small box right now. You need to unfold it and then fold it like this. Needs to be on the line, so it can be straight. Wait, what? It's not the same. Okay, I'm gonna try again. Needs to be the same. And I don't know what to call it because I'm a Filipino and I'm not good to English very that much. Then you wanna fold it like this. You wanna do it on the back and do it the same thing. The camera again. Don't hit the camera. And then let's do this. Don't worry about the vehicles that's passing by, guys. You want to fold it like this and do it like this. Next up is like a diamond. Then fold it like this. Come on. Like this. Then want to flip it back and do the same thing. And then do it like this, another diamond, and then flip it open. Yeah, it's that simple. And then the last step is wide this up and flip this off. There we go. Now as you can see, it's a boat. This is just a quick video for all of us. Yeah. And also, it's gonna be a link in the description of the annotations. So, there. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Yeah.